All right, we're here at Shoreline Coatings in North Branford, Connecticut, and we're doing a little something cool with the wheels for 2018. So finally home from Connecticut. I helped the cops nail a drunk driver on the way home. The guy was swerving back and forth all over the place, so I called in to Nassau County. They didn't get there in time, so I called Suffolk County, and I was like, hey, you guys really gotta get here. And they finally caught up with him, and I'm gonna make a separate video, so I'll put the link somewhere around here so that you can see it.